Welcome. In today's video, we're diving into The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, exploring 13 key lessons that show how our emotions and behaviors shape our financial choices. We'll cover everything from how luck influences success to why our mindset matters more than math when it comes to managing money. Let's get into how understanding the psychology of money can lead to smarter financial decisions. Lesson 1. Luck and risk matter more than you think. Housel reminds us that luck and risk play a huge role in financial outcomes. Sometimes success is more about being in the right place at the right time, while failures can happen even if you did everything right. Don't judge your decisions based on outcomes alone. Focus on making good, thoughtful choices and be prepared for the unpredictable. Lesson 2. The power of compounding. Compounding is the key to long-term wealth. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Even small amounts can snowball into big returns over time, so start now and be patient. Lesson 3. Emotions drive financial decisions. Our emotions often override logic when it comes to money. Fear, greed, and envy can push us into poor decisions like selling too soon or buying too much. Recognizing these emotional triggers helps us make smarter, more rational choices. Lesson 4. True wealth is hidden. Wealth isn't about what you can see, it's the money you don't spend. Flashy cars and luxury goods don't reflect true wealth. Real wealth is in savings and investments that give you freedom and security. Lesson 5. Saving is more important than investing. While investing is crucial, saving is even more important. It's the money you set aside that gives you control and options. You don't need to be a financial expert to save. Just spend less than you earn. Lesson 6. Pessimism is persuasive. We're often drawn to negative news about the economy because it feels more believable. But over the long term, markets and economies tend to grow. Don't let fear stop you from investing in your future. Lesson 7. Time is your best ally. The longer you stay invested, the better. It's not about timing the market, but spending time in the market. Start early, stay consistent, and let time work for you. Lesson 8. Expect extremes. Financial markets can be unpredictable, with extreme events having a big impact. Be prepared for both good and bad surprises, and keep a long-term perspective to ride out the storms. Lesson 9. Know when to stop chasing more. Chasing wealth endlessly can lead to burnout and bad decisions. Knowing when enough is key to financial peace. Focus on security and happiness rather than just accumulation. Lesson 10. Flexibility is real wealth. Financial freedom isn't just about having money, it's about having control over your choices. Saving gives you the flexibility to handle life's ups and downs without stress. Lesson 11. Your money story shapes your decisions. We all have stories about money shaped by our experiences and culture. These stories influence how we save, spend, and invest. Understanding your own money story can help you make better financial choices. Lesson 12. Be reasonable, not just rational. Financial decisions aren't just about numbers. What's rational might not always feel right for you personally. Being reasonable, or making decisions that feel comfortable and sustainable for you, is just as important. Lesson 13. Don't compare yourself to others. Comparing your financial situation to others leads to envy and bad choices. Focus on your own goals and progress, not on keeping up with anyone else. Conclusion, we've covered key lessons from the psychology of money that show how your mindset and habits shape your financial future. Focus on patience, flexibility, and making good decisions, rather than chasing quick gains or comparing yourself to others. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on financial well-being. See you next time.